What is up, guys? I'm here with another video where today I'm showing you all my fidget spinners, so enjoy. It's the sound of the police. Do you want to go, Rocco? Yes, I got Rocco over there, so enjoy. First, I have this this army camo. It just spins. So, have a little look at it. Oh, it'll come on in a minute. I just got my little cousin in there. Next I have is this yellow one. And it's really cool. And then I have this America. Now I have is this one. I don't know what you call it, but it's so cool. Next I have is this one. It's the same one as that one, but it's glittery. Don't stop making it up. No, Rocco, don't play with that. Yeah. Next I have is my Batman. It's a blue Batman one. Let's spin it. It's a good Batman one. I like it a lot. So next one I have is, let me just get out with the packaging. Kind of. It's a Batman. It's the gold one. It's just the plain gold one. So like that camo one, the American one, and the yellow one, it's just the same but with different colours. Now the one what I have is this precious one. It's that one. It's the second best, but I have another one, but let me just go and get it. No, I'm in the middle of a video. Then I have the last, but not least, this one.
Is he watching? Stop playing it. A gold one.
Rocco, don't mess with him. Rocco! Rocco, can you have that one?
What's in that?
It's just a fidget spinner. Rocco, can I have that one?
Nice. What's a new fidget spinner?
I don't know. Bye, guys.